Good morning, everyone. How are all my superheroes doing today? Welcome to our Monday book class. I have a fun book that I know some of you love this book. It's called Brown Bear, Brown Bear. What do you see? And it's by Bill Martin Jr. and the pictures are by Eric Carle. And it says, Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Do you remember how the bear goes? Roar. I know some of you love bears. I do too. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. There's the yellow duck. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Have you ever seen a blue horse? There's the picture. I have never seen a blue horse. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. There's the green. Now, do you remember how the green frog goes? Ribbit. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. A purple cat? Oh my goodness. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Now, I've seen white dogs. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. There's the goldfish. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? What do you all see here? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Look at all the colors. What colors do we see here? We see brown, red, yellow, blue, green, pink, white, black, and orange. And Mr. Brown Bear. Was that fun? Now I have another fun one. Let's see here. It's called Polar Bear, what do you see? Let's see what we find in this fun book. And this one is also written by Mr. Bill Martin Jr. And the pictures are by Eric Carle. And it says, Polar Bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Rah! There's the lion. Can you make the lion sound? Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snorting in my ear. He's blue. Hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear a flamingo flaunting in my ear. There's the flamingo. Have you ever seen a flamingo? They're kind of stinky. Flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. There's the zebra. Zebra, what do you hear? I hear a boa constrictor hissing in my ear. Ooh, scary. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. They go, pow! Elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard in my ear. There's the leopard. Leopard, leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. Peacock, peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus in my ear. Look how beautiful the colors. Walrus, walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Zookeeper, zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children. There's the zookeeper. Now, do you know what zookeepers do? They take care of all the birds and all the animals that are in the zoo. They feed them every day, and they also clean their cages, and some of them build a very beautiful relationship with each other. And it says, growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, and flaunting like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, hissing like a boa constrictor, trumpeting like an elephant, and snarling like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, and bellowing like a walrus. That's what I hear. That's what they all hear. The end. And here are all the beautiful colors